Hi everybody, my name is Matt Elliott and I'm here at Guarantee RV Supercenters today to show you a really great Jayco. This is a brand new rig we just got. It's a new floor plan for them. This is the 275 RLSW. Now the RL signifies rear lounge, but before we go in and look into the interior, I want to tell you a few things about Jayco. Jayco's been building Jay Flight's, one of the #1 selling trailers over the last 20 years. And they have a lot of characteristics that are a little bit better than just your average run-of-the-mill trailer. For example, this Jayco has a 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty and a 3-year structural warranty. Most of the trailers you look at in the used market cost almost as much as this thing does, and they don't have a warranty at all. We've got a 5/8 tongue and groove exterior grade plywood floor and a fully walkable roof with a 3/8 tongue and groove exterior grade roof decking. So you can actually get up there and maintain your roof seals and remove debris and just make sure everything's copacetic on top of your trailer. Now the other thing I love about this trailer is it's a sheet metal exterior. It's very popular to have rigs that have smooth side fiberglass, and I like them. A lot of my rigs have fiberglass exteriors, but fiberglass weathers, and I really like sheet metal because it just holds up fantastic in the sun, in the rain. It does not corrode. It's all treated. You know, my dad's got an aluminum boat that's older than I am, and it still looks like brand new. So sheet metal has its real merits, and it's not made out of laminated together stuff, so it's not going to delaminate like an older fiberglass trailer can sometimes do. So there's a lot going on there. Now this one's also the Rocky Mountain edition, and it brings several extra features to the trailer. But one of the best features is that this holds about 90 gallons of fresh water, where a typical trailer only holds maybe 30 or 40 gallons of fresh. This has a really substantial freshwater capacity. So if you're going to go out someplace and you're going to be there a couple of weeks, you're doing fine. Also, it has a very durable slide out mechanism. This is an old school rack and pinion system. It goes straight out and it comes straight back. There's no hydraulics, no pulleys, no cables. It's just as solid state as can be. There's a lot more to talk about on the outside, but I want to go around the interior with you as well. Now, I mentioned earlier this is a rear lounge trailer. Rear lounges are very popular, and you can see that there's nice windows all the way around the back. You get good lighting and good ventilation. There's a couch here that will fold down and make a bed for somebody who's not too big, maybe a couple of kids. And then we have a dinette that's a horseshoe family seating area, and it really makes a substantial amount of space. It's all storage underneath. It'll make a large bed, and you can even take the tabletop out and just have it be open seating, which I think is a great idea. And also in the slide is your refrigerator. Now, a lot of times when you look at a rear lounge trailer, you'll see that the galley sort of comes out and goes into the middle of the trailer, and it sort of interferes with the traffic patterns of the coach. And a lot of times it sticks in front of where the TV is going to be. But in this one, the TV is close to the seating area and the galley is up in the front, which makes a lot more sense. And in fact, you get more counter space and more storage too. So I can go in there and cook and do my thing, and I'm not right in the middle of everybody, but I'm still part of the event and part of the social group. Now, as you go forward, what you're going to really notice on this is that on the way to the bedroom, you have a really open and spacious bathroom. It's got a lot of room in there. You can definitely go in and out of the shower and the stool and turn around. It's got a lot of counter space. So this bathroom is just absolutely fantastic. And then of course in the front you have a queen walk-around bedroom, and that gives you ample storage access underneath that bed. And it also is it's a really nice place in here. It's very open. One other thing I want to add about this trailer is that there's just really nothing missing. It has power awning, it has all LED lighting, it has stabilizer jacks, has a power tongue jack, and this year it's available with a 100-watt solar panel, and this has that too. So you can reinforce your battery supply all the time. There's a lot more to talk about. I'd love to show you this trailer in person or talk to you online or on the phone. So feel free to call up and ask for me. My name is Matt Elliott, and you can reach me at 541-954-8495. You have a great day.